I'm Shanay Braxton. Welcome to the Business and Travel Club, where I help travel brands optimize their digital footprint. This is going to be a jam-packed weekend, and I've been waiting for this weekend for so long. I'm very excited. I have two major things going on this weekend. First is the Business and Travel Club meetup, and second is a YouTube video collaboration that I'm doing with Jasmine Okocha of the Jazzy Nation. What I want to do is give you a little sneak peek at the background of what we're doing today. I'm going to share a little bit of the presentation just to give you an idea of what we're going to be talking about and why it's important for businesses and travel to attend these type of events. I'm about to do a run through of my presentation so that I can become more comfortable. I have my notebook. It's a moleskin. I love this notebook, okay? I've been raving about it to my friends because it has blank pages. So I really like having blank pages because that means I can do what I want with each page and there's no confinement by lines. So I love this, and this is leather bound, so very nice quality. And then I also have my Epic blog, which is helping me to stay super organized creating these events. I have these two books that I keep with me throughout the week to help me stay organized with business and travel and my personal brand, Shanay Braxton. So I'm about to go through my presentation. Today's event is called Story Path to Fulfillment, The Traveler's Journey, hosted by Shanay Braxton, curator of the Business and Travel Club. This video is also in partnership with Joy, the web designer. Joy builds websites with systems to automate your business. In this first part, we're talking about possible revenue streams for businesses and travel. And there are many. I mentioned 10 different revenue stream ideas that you can implement into your travel business. You may be doing them already, you may not be doing them already, and it may give you another opportunity to add a new income stream. It's not to say to do them all at the same time either. After that, all of the club members pick one of those revenue stream ideas, and just to have it in the back of their mind. They don't have to make a selection just yet, or it could be something they are already doing and they want to perfect that and master it. So they're going to be thinking about the revenue stream, and then I'm going to walk them through a business and travel workflow. Now, many people know this as the customer's journey. After I go through the workflow, then all of the participants are going to build their own workflow. What I'm going to have them do is pick one of the revenue streams. Remember, I said that at the beginning. Now is the moment for them to actually take that revenue stream and build out a workflow around it. They may already have this incorporated, but this is a perfect time for them to just put it out onto paper. And the way we do it is really nice because we block out each step, and it really helps to clarify how we're walking our traveler throughout our business. They'll take some time, build their own workflow, and then we'll go through them together. After they build their own workflow, then we are going to take it to the next level. We have a Built to Last challenge, which is going to be super fun. We're going to take all of the things that we've been learning over these past 5 events, and we are going to put them into action. So all of us are going to partake in this challenge. This is really going to help all of us take our business to the next level in terms of systems. Now that the travel industry has slowed down, I think now is the perfect time to be thinking about how you can better optimize your digital footprint. Once things start to pick back up in travel, you want to make sure that you're ready and you're prepared to take in the influx of travelers that are going to come into your business, come onto your story path. So this is the perfect time to be establishing that if you haven't already, and then also fine-tuning what you're doing currently. So that's the whole point of the Built to Last challenge. I'm not going to tell you what the goal is, but it's basically about increase. And we want to be able to measure based on this built to last checklist. I've been doing some research, and the CEO of Delta actually predicts that there will be a huge increase in travel by summer 2021. That was the built to last challenge, and that will conclude the meetup. All of us are learning and growing together. The next event is March 20th, and that event is when we're going to be talking about brand awareness. Joy and I have been working through these events, and we want to make sure that people are feeling like they have an actionable step that they can take away from coming to the business and travel meetups. That's basically the presentation. What I'm about to do now is just eat really quick so I can get something on my stomach. I didn't have breakfast. I only had tea and water this morning. It is now 11:50, so we are on great timing. The event starts at 1, and I'm about to eat. I'm gonna put my stuff up because I record in my room, my brother's room. That's where my setup is right now. We've gone through the workflow, so now everybody is working to create their own personalized based on their business and travel. The next part of the presentation is the workflow checklist. Whew. We just wrapped up the Business and Travel Club meetup, Story Path to Fulfillment, the Traveler's Journey. Honestly, we are providing so much value. There's really a lot of good information that you could take away from the experience that we provide through the club. Now that the event is over, the rest of my afternoon, I will be editing my video that's going up on YouTube tomorrow. I am feeling extremely accomplished today, and I'm super excited because I'm always celebrating my small wins. As I continue to grow my business and to grow my YouTube channel, I have to manage and balance doing those things at the same time and carving out time so that I can give extreme focus and dedication to making sure that everything is done right, because I had the event and I had the video collaboration with Jasmine Okocha of the Jazzy Nation, and today's event was very successful. I'm very excited about all of the value that we share in the Business and Travel Club, and although we don't have a large following in the club at this moment, that's completely fine because I'm still building this club, and as I continue to grow, more people will find us and more people will engage with us, and we'll continue to add more value. For my YouTube channel, I'm hoping to incorporate more collaborations into some of my videos. If you like what you've seen today, if you love this vlog style, if you want to join the Business and Travel Club, please subscribe to this channel because I am sharing so much value that you have to stay around. If you enjoy these vlog style videos, let me know in the comments below. Also, I would love to hear from you in terms of what type of business and travel information would you like to know more about, because I will be happy to create videos, and I will see you next time. Remember to like and subscribe and share my videos if you find them valuable. Until next time, bye. It's the next morning, and I wanted to come on here and say how proud of myself I feel. It was so much planning involved in making sure that this weekend went off smooth, and it did. So I'm so proud. This is something I've always thought about, and I've always been afraid to do it. But now I'm free. Now I can be myself and tell my story, share my journey. What's next? I need to make 2 outlines this week for my YouTube videos. That's the goal that I want to get to. I will keep you posted. Until next time, bye.